Hello, good morning. It's Kid Allowitz checking in from Don't Pull the Chicken Switch today from bright, sunny, cold Albany, New York. Today's little 1.5 minute session is about one of my favorite little coy sayings that I heard years ago, and I'm not even sure who to exactly give a credit to, but here it is. What's easy to do is also very easy not to do. So think about it. A lot of our lives' activities fall into a nice little cocooned bucket, as I call it, that will allure you and I into yet another little fallacy. The fallacy is that as a result of it, whatever it is, being easy to do and achieve, that we will somehow always do it, complete it, take it on, and get her done. And let me suggest that may not always be the case. What's easy to do in life is also very easy not to do. So watch out for that bait. Here's a tiny little fraction of the kinds of things that fall into our lives that tend to be easy to do, but even easier not to do. Exercising, tracking your calories on your iPhone, making cold calls, speaking to that employee that maybe isn't doing your best, telling someone that their fly is down, getting up on time, going to bed on time, getting enough sleep, avoiding dangerous food, saying no to that Monster and that Red Bull. That one's hard for me. Telling someone that there's mustard on their chin, calling your mom, reading a book, reading a non-fiction book, doing your expenses, changing the toilet paper roll, taking out the garbage, practicing a new skill acquired, or how about taking 1.5 minutes to listen to me? These are all things that are easy to do, but they're even easier not to do. So my challenge this morning to you is maybe take on one thing today, just one thing in your life that you know is easy to do, but it's even easier not to do. Pick that one thing and follow through on it. Do it. Complete it. Whatever it is. Dang it, get it done. Just do it. And then maybe ping me that you got it done, and I'll send you back a fist bump. If you really want to get amped up and also maybe take this topic around what's easy to do is easy not to do, consider picking up my book that I finished publishing, Don't Pull the Chicken Switch, How to Maximize Willpower, Get Everything You Want Out of Work and Life. It's an educational, provocative, little fun story about not chickening out and following through on things that are easy to do, but even easier not to do. Have a great day. See you next time.